I've had this skin tint from the day it launched and finally, paubos na siya. Like, siguro mga dalawang gamit na lang to. And my sentiments stay the same. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng skin tint na to. First, it is so easy to blend. And I've used my fingers, my puff, my brush, my sponge in trying to apply this on my face and they all work perfectly fine. When I had oily face, ang ganda ng lapat nito sa skin ko, and now that I have dry skin because of my isotretinoin, ang ganda pa rin niya talaga. Ginagamit ko to on days that I want coverage but not too much. So like for everyday errands, if I'm going to the gym, if I'm going out and I want to look put together, ito yung ginagamit ko. Actually, gamit ko siya now and hindi ako nag-setting powder, hindi ako nag kahit anong powder. Nag-setting spray lang ako kasi I was in a rush kanina. And if, as you can see, medyo oily yung T-zone area ko pero sobrang init sa labas kanina and very impressive na ganito lang talaga yung pagka-oily ng face ko. Hindi ako sobrang hulas. I feel like if ibang foundation, ibang skin tint to, mas hulas na ako all over. Second, the shade match is insane with this one. I'm in the shade Lazy, which is a light with neutral undertone. And even though I am cool toned, this shade works so well with me. If you look at my face and my shoulders and my neck, hindi talaga nagkakalayo yung kulay. Even if it's an everyday skin tint, ito yung confident akong isabak siya sa events or if mapapawisan talaga ako because it really stays on my face. Like the longevity of the skin tint, for me, it can last the whole day. Kaya if there are some days that I want coverage but at the same time I want my face to not look so plakado. I mean, if I want a lightweight makeup look, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. And again, my shade is Lazy and yun lang, I just wanted to share this wonderful, wonderful product.